Hi guys, how you all doing? Well, this week it's been not the best hobby week again. I'm still having a bit of a lull going down, I think. So I've not done a great deal of painting, but I've made some work. I've made some progress on the custodies that I've been working on. Really enjoying them actually. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna. I don't particularly like painting metals, and I'm not at that stage yet where I want to do non-metallic metals. I've given it a go. It's really not for me, to be honest. Not for playable pieces anyway. Maybe on a display piece or something. Outside of that, most of the stuff I've done has been hobby quality of life stuff, if that's a thing. So I've been going through my paint collection and cataloging that, so I can easily reference it when I'm putting other videos together. Um, Especially for the Vallejo ones where they've got numbers associated. That's been a thing that I've been wanting to do for a while, so I've done that. And also, I've just been kind of setting things up in a more linear, sequential way, which works in my head a little bit more. So the next couple of projects that I want to work on, I've just got them to certain stages, so I can just like go from one to the next to the next. Outside of that, that's been pretty much it. Obviously, Kill Team's around the corner, and I think a lot of my excitement is around that. But I'm going to talk more about that on this Saturday's video because I've got a couple of things that I want to go into there. But yeah, that's been it for hobbying this week. It's not been a great deal of time. I spent too much time maybe downstairs on the sofa. Maybe it's that time of year. It's just turning from late summer into early autumn kind of thing, and yeah. It is what it is. Right, hopefully next week I'll be more hobby productivity from me, so we'll see. What about you guys? What have you been up to? Let me know if you suffer from hobby slump now and again and how you get over it. I thought getting some stuff that I didn't want to do out of the way would help. And then deciding that what I wanted to do was a little bit different to what I was doing. But we'll see how it pans out over the next couple of weeks, shall we? Right, anyway, I'll see you Saturday. See ya.